picking up whatever is mine. I'm riding down a train that never would come to me, working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. Running down a train. Yeah, I'm running down a train that never would come to me, working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. Running down a train.
Biggest pair I've ever seen.
Oh my goodness.
Speaking of you, high five.
Thank you, man. And made it. Come on.
Check there. What a fish.
That is a monster. Heavy bill.
Beautiful. That's the fish of the trip. That's it.
Come on. Well, I'm going to leave her up.
95 centimetre.
That's good.
Keep holding his belly, mate.
You hold that, mate.
Seeing the Good morning. We gotcha. We're rolling. Doing the fat in. done, mate.
Thank you. High five.
I don't think it's big as Ren's. No way.
The same one. Perfect.
You've got two ways of looking at it, Dwayne. If it's under 90, you can eat it. If it's over, you can get it. Oh, yeah. What is it? Hey,
Sit up, Nick.
Beautiful. Darren's got a big crocodile on him.
Alright, 2 barrows, 1 blue salmon, and a crop.
He comes, coming up.
Where is he?
Thank you. Boy.
You know, Darren, I wanted to see you at work on a barrow. Not on a crop. Oh, he's got,
They won't catch a bear.
yeah. There, he's not finished yet. Come on,
Checking,
the
right?
head is in the bar.
It's shaking. In the head.
You told me to do 22 or something. Oh, yeah. Good snap at it. That's not the only one here, you know, another one came in too.